Hello guys, welcome to yet another episode of AML Talks. So today we will be talking about how you can use Deepseek in your local systems. So we will be using Ollama to install Deepseeks in your local systems, and then we will run we'll chat with Ollama, and then we will also run Ollama as an API format. So let's go and move to Ollama and Deepseek how it will work. So let's move to the downloading part. So how we can use Ollama. So Ollama, you need to visit ollama.com. So www.ollama.com, and there you will find option to download for your OS. So as I am using Mac right now, so it is showing for Mac. If it is for Linux or Windows, you will be getting the same thing. So you can just download it. Okay. So you can download for Linux or your Linux using command. For Windows, you will be just able to download the direct exe files. Okay. So for Mac, I've downloaded it right now. So what you need to do once you have downloaded it, this file, you need to go to your terminal and then you need to run your model. Okay. So what are the options that we have currently? Let's check. Okay. So model as we are running DeepSeek, so it is also having Llama 3.3, Pi 4, Llama 3.2 and all. So DeepSeek R1 is there. So let's move to DeepSeek R1. So DeepSeek R1 has 7 billion, 1.5 billion, all these models are available. So default is 7 billion that you will get. Okay, so when you go with when you run this part, so DeepSeek 7 billion will be downloaded. So if you wish to specify a particular model name, so what you need to do is Ollama run DeepSeek R1, then you need to name the parameter name. So 1.5 if you want 1.5, or if you want 7 billion, then you can use 7 billion. If you want a 8 billion parameter digital model, then you can put it the 8 billion part. So let's go and run it and check it out how it will work. So basically what I will be showing you is how it works. Okay, so let's see, we'll copy this one of these things, Control C, and then we'll go to the terminal and we will run it out here. So once I try to run it, so it will pull the manifest and download the model. Okay, so as I have already downloaded it, so I'll just it will take some time to download the whole model. So I'll close it out and I'll just show you how it will look like. Okay, directly. Yeah, so I'll just run DeepSeek R1, Ollama run DeepSeek R1. So see, it will give you a prompt part where you can just type your prompt and it will give you an answer. Okay, so uh, who is the Prime Minister of India? So see, it is giving me the Prime Minister of India is the head of the government and the highest ranking official in the executive branch of the government. The current Prime Minister is Narendra Modi, who has been serving since 2014. So let's make it let me make it a little bit bigger. So let's ask something uh, interesting. So we will see, can you solve 25 into 25? So see, it is thinking right now, and then just like DeepSeek, it is thinking, and then it will give you the output also. So it is giving you the all the steps out there, and the final answer will be given to you also. So still it is thinking. So it takes some time to think, and then it will give you. Let us check. Yeah, see, the final answer is product of 25 multiplied by 25 is 625. So this is how you can use DeepSeek locally. So without internet also it will work. So instead, and if you want to close this thing, then just send bye. So it will close it out. Again, let's say if you want to just clear it out, and then we'll run DeepSeek R1 and ask something like how to code. We'll just ask it to code code a prime number authenticator. So see, it is thinking right now and will give me the answer. Yeah. So it has given us the code also, and so see this implementation is there. The code is given to us. So if you wish, we can use that part. If you want to use Ollama in in API version in your any of your code locally, so what you can do is you just need to write Ollama serve. Okay, and your API will start running. So now your server is running. So this server is running on this port. The port is see, this is your server. So 127 .0.0.1, then the port is 11434. Okay, so what we will be doing, we'll be doing a curl request on this behalf. So let's try it out. Just a minute. Clear it. So let's try this curl part. So I already had this. So this API endpoint is basically the slash API slash chat. That is the basically the Ollama thing, and minus D. Then you'll have to give the model name and pass on the message, and you can make stream equal to false or true. That depends on you. So let's say we want to again solve the same problem, that is 25 into 25. Let's see whether we are getting the same answer in API format or not. So the server is running here. So server will see Llama runner started in 25 seconds. So this is the API has been hit here, and now we have got the answer. So see, it has already thought about it and then finally given us the answer, that is 625 again here. Okay, the final answer is 625. Okay, so I hope you liked it. So you will try DeepSeek in your local systems. So it might be slow in your systems if if it doesn't have that much RAM. So I'm using in Mac. So Mac has GPUs inbuilt. So that's why it works little bit faster. But in your local system, it might take some time. So just bear that in mind. Okay. So thank you everyone. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel.